Virtual landline number for business, Australia. Are you looking for an easy and affordable way to get a virtual landline number in Australia? Do you want to answer calls from your customers on your mobile phone? Do you want to avoid any landline equipment? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to get a virtual landline number in just a few minutes. We'll also show you how it can help your business grow and succeed. A virtual landline number is a phone number that you can manage online. You can forward calls to any device. You don't need any special hardware, software or physical phone lines. Any mobile phone with any carrier is compatible. A virtual landline number gives your customers the security of calling an established business. You maintain the freedom and flexibility of answering calls directly on your mobile. Why do you need a virtual landline number? There are many benefits of investing in a virtual landline number for your business. Here are some of them. Appear local from virtually anywhere in the world. You can choose a virtual phone number based in any city or region in Australia. It doesn't matter where you are located. This way, you can attract more local customers and increase your brand recognition. Save money on phone bills and equipment. Virtual landlines are cheaper to set up and maintain than traditional phone lines. You don't have to pay for expensive hardware or telephone lines. You also save on long distance and international calls. They are charged at local rates. Increase customer trust and satisfaction. Customers are more likely to call a local or toll-free number than a mobile or foreign number. They feel more comfortable and confident. They also appreciate the convenience of reaching you anytime, anywhere. There are no delays or interruptions. Enhance your professional image and credibility. A virtual landline number shows that you are serious about your business and that you care about your customers. It also helps you separate your personal and professional calls. You can maintain your privacy and work-life balance. Improve your call quality and functionality. Virtual landlines offer high-quality voice and video calls. They also offer various features that enhance your communication. For example, call and video conferencing, auto attendant, voicemail, call recording, call menu, etc. Gain more control and flexibility over your calls. You can easily manage your virtual landline number online, using any device. You can change the forwarding destination, activate or deactivate features, view call logs and reports, etc. You can also customize your greeting message, hold music, caller ID, etc. Access data and insights on your calls. Virtual landlines provide you with valuable information on your calls. For example, the number of calls received, missed or answered, the duration of calls, the location of callers, etc. You can use this data to analyze your performance, optimize your marketing campaigns, improve your customer service, etc. How do you get a virtual landline number? There are many providers of virtual landline numbers in Australia. For example, Call Hippo, Dialpad, Ooma, 8x8, 3CX, Freshdesk, Five9, Virtual Landline, Uconnected and Crisp Call. They offer different features, rates and plans for their services. You can compare them and choose the one that suits your needs best. Here are the simple steps to order a virtual landline number from one of these providers. Visit their website and select a number from their secure ordering site. You can choose from a variety of virtual phone numbers based in different cities in Australia and at a low cost. You can also pick your preferred number from a wide range of options. Enter your order details and pay the required fee. You can expect to pay a monthly fee and per minute rates for all types of numbers. The monthly fees vary from $2 per month to $99 per month depending on the plan you opt for. The per minute rates depend on whether the call is connected from a landline or mobile. Some providers also offer optional add-on services such as voice response, call recording, call menu, etc. They may have additional costs. Wait for your new virtual landline number to be set up. You will be online on the next business day or sooner. You will receive an email confirmation with your number and login details. Log into your online account and configure your settings. You can choose which device should receive the call and change it at any time. You can also activate various features such as call and video conferencing, auto attendant, voicemail, etc. Start making and receiving calls with your virtual landline number. You can also make outbound calls using your virtual landline number with some providers. You don't need any special equipment or software. You just need your mobile phone and an internet connection. That's it. You've successfully ordered a virtual landline number in Australia and redirected calls to your mobile without any landline equipment. Now you can enjoy the benefits of having a virtual landline number. If you have any questions or need any help with your virtual landline number, you can contact the provider's customer support team anytime. They will be happy to assist you with any issues or queries. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to get the best out of your virtual phone system. JustWise is a business accounts bookkeeping business in Australia. We can help your business with virtual landline numbers, bookkeeping services, accounting software, business software, advisory services and more. If you need any of our services for your business, please contact us at info@justwiseaccountingbooks.com or visit our website. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thanks for watching.